Hi, math enthusiast. I would like to invite you to join us and be a member of Ideology Community. If you become a member, you will help Ideology YouTube channel to make more math videos and to ease logistics expenses. See you all in Ideology Community and get this beautiful Ideology Fun badge and be a member according to your interest as a bronze member, a silver member, or a gold member. We love to see you in Ideology Community. Hi everyone. Today we're going to study GeoGebra. In particular, we will study how to install the program, how to operate the geometry tools, and how to save a file. Let's begin in how to install GeoGebra. First, download the installer file from this link. Make sure you have the correct version for your operating system. Double-click the GeoGebra installer file and follow the instructions of the installer assistant. Once you click this link, you will be directed to a new page that looks like this. And in here, we have GeoGebra Classic 6, also GeoGebra Classic 5. Let us choose the GeoGebra Classic 6 and click the download. Once you click it, you must follow the instructions of the installer assistant. After downloading, you will see a GeoGebra logo that will appear in the desktop. Click this logo and you will see the interface. This is what we call GeoGebra's user interface. The GeoGebra's user interface has the following features. Using the provided geometry tools in the toolbar, you can create geometric constructions on the graphics view with your mouse. At the same time, the corresponding coordinates and equations are displayed in the algebra view. On the other hand, you can directly enter algebraic input, commands, and functions into the input bar by using the keyboard. While the graphical representation of all objects is displayed in the graphics view, their algebraic numeric representation is shown in the algebra view. In GeoGebra, geometry and algebra work side by side. This is how to operate GeoGebra's geometry tools. Activate a tool by clicking on the button showing the corresponding icon. Open a toolbox by clicking on the lower part of a button and select another tool from this toolbox. There is a hint. You don't have to open the toolbox every time you want to select a tool. If the icon of the desired tool is already shown button, it can be activated directly. Here is another hint. Toolboxes contain similar tools or tools that generate the same type of new object. The third, click on the icon at the right of the toolbar to get help on the currently active tool. Now, how to save a GeoGebra file. While working on a particular file and you want to save it, open the File menu and select Save. Select the folder GeoGebra Introduction in the appearing dialog window. Type in a name for your GeoGebra file. Click Save in order to finish this process. There is a hint. A file with the extension .ggb is created. This extension identifies GeoGebra files and indicates that they can only be opened with GeoGebra. Another hint, name your files properly. Avoid using spaces or special symbols in a file name since they can cause unnecessary problems when transferred to other computers. Instead, you can use underscores or uppercase letters within the file name. Example, first underscore drawing.ggb.